Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is a food subscription box, and this is from Degustabox. Sorry, lovely, it is quite heavy. So if you want to see what's in Degustabox March 2021, just keep on watching. Start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty hauls, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. If you're new to this subscription box, it's a monthly food subscription box. It costs £12.99 including the shipping fee. And every month you will receive food products. And if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, to Degustabox, I have my affiliate link down below, and you will have like £3 off on your first box, so it will cost you only £10. So yes, let's open this box. It came with this box here. It's really a big box, and it's very heavy, lovely. And yes, I know it's been a while since I unboxed my Degustabox, but I always lovely forget to unbox it. We always eat the food inside. So it came with the bubble wrap as always. I won't show you, lovelies, because it's quite heavy, this mask box. And then as always, we have the leaflet, and inside, lovelies, it's pack of all food inside. And here it says, this is the March Hello Spring. And yes, there's loads of products inside, and let's start. And in the leaflet, it says also the description and the price of the products. So let's start, lovely. So the first one we have here, and kids loves it, and this is from Pasquier, and this is peach. It has 4 inside, and this is so good. It has the chocolate inside the like a brioche bread one. It's really nice. I think this one, it costs £1.40. And yes, and it says here, peach block au choc is a sweet soft brioche roll with a delicious solid chocolate bar inside. Peach are individually wrapped, making them perfectly for lunch boxes, picnic, car journey, and much more. This is a new product because this usually the chocolate inside is a melted chocolate. Chocolate bar inside. So yes, can't wait to try this one. The next one we have here, and this is my favorite one. I think we had this one before too, and this is from Delman's since 1904, the authentic Dutch Stroop waffle mini. It's so delicious, this one. It's like a waffle one with caramel inside. As you can see, it has a caramel inside. It's very sweet, lovelies. If you don't like sweet products, you won't like this one. I usually purchase it in B&M, and yes, I love it. I love this one. And with tea, hot tea, this is perfect. And this one, lovelies, oh, it's not on the list. Yeah, it's not on the list here. I don't know why, but yes, I'm still happy to receive this one. It's one of my favorite. And then the next one we have here, and this one too, it's not on the list. And this is the Christmas break Kit Kat. And yes, it's a Christmassy one. I don't know why I have it. And it has 6 individually wrapped mini milk chocolate Santas with a rich chocolatey center and the crunchy wafer pieces. I love this one. Kit Kat is one of my favorite chocolate. So yes, this one is not on the list, but I have it. And then the next one we have here. Oh, I really wanted to try this one. I always see this one in the supermarket, but never tried it. And yes, I'm curious to try. And this is from Mighty Mugshot. Noodles, chicken, and mushroom. So here we go. And this one, it's a big size. It's little for £1.49. And yes, and here it says that take a moment at lunchtime with hot and tasty Mugshot, mighty chicken and mushroom noodles. Simply pour in boiling water, stir, and it's ready to enjoy in just 5 minutes. Made with natural flavor, and it's suitable for vegetarians. Find us in the instant hot snacking aisle in store. Yeah, I always see this one in store and never tried it before, so yes, I will try it now. And then we have the Chickpea Pop Snacks, the hippies salt and vinegar vibes. I'm not really fan of salt vinegar, but yes, this one is rated for 99 pence, and I give this one to my daughter. She loves the salt vinegar. I don't really like salt vinegar. And it says are made from the humble but mighty legume, baked into a light and crunchy puff. We are totally gluten-free, vegan, and less than 91 calories per single serve pack. So yes. And then we have, it's full of product here, and this is from Flapjack. I love Flapjack. And this is the caramel fudge from the brand Brynmore. Receive this one, or apple and raspberry dark chocolate and ginger multi-packs. But I have the caramel fudge, which is I love. So yes, this one is rated for 2 pounds. And it says here, lovingly baked in Wales, Brynmore Flapjacks are made using only high quality natural ingredients, now in a convenient 40-gram size, perfected for that well-deserved treat time. I love Flapjack. Can't wait to try this one. It's really nice. And caramel fudge is one of my favorite too. So yes. And then we have this Maynard by Basset fruit smoothie jelly. Ooh, love jellies. And this one is natural color and flavor, source vitamin C and E. And this one it's rated for £1.32. And Maynard Basset fruit smoothie jellies, a delicious candy treat. Each sweet contains one of 4 exciting flavor combinations: banana, strawberry, mango, passion fruit, pineapple and lemon, pomegranate, and berry. They contain natural colors and flavors, made with real fruit puree, and a source of vitamin C and E. I might try this one. I need some sweet at the moment. Oh, this kind of jelly here. So yummy. You can taste that it's a fruity taste. So good, so nice. And then we have sample size from Filippo Berio. So in here we have the extra virgin olive oil, and we have the balsamic vinegar for condiment. Yes, we have 2 in here, and this one it's rated for £1.29 each, I think. And it says Filippo Berio has been the UK favorite olive oil for over 40 years. Ideal for sauces, marinade, drizzling, and dripping, and you can cook with it as well. This balsamic vinegar is made from specially selected Modena grapes. It is smooth and flavors some with a classic light sweetness. Yes, this one is perfect for salad. It's really good. This one too, just the top, open the top, and this one it's really nice. And then we have here, oh, this is the new one, the Kelloggs Crunchy Nut, the peanut butter. It's a crunchy, yum. This is the product of the month. This one is rated for £2.50, and it says Go Nuts for Kellogg's Crunchy Nut peanut butter, a delicious jar of ultra smooth peanut butter packed with irresistibly crunchy honey roasted peanut for that unique crunchy nut taste. Simply too good to resist. Enjoy on toast or bagels, or straight from the jar. Yummy, this one. Love peanut butter. I bought at the moment the Reese one. I love it. So yes, and then we have Lucozade Zero Sugar in Tropical, and this one it's rated for £1.49. Introducing the latest flavor lunch from the Lucozade Zero range. Lucozade Zero Tropical. This refreshing pineapple and mango flavor drink is 100% Lucozade Zero Sugar. Our new design also means our bottle is now fully recyclable. So yes, can see I taste Lucozade before and I honestly don't like it, the orange one, but I might try the tropical one. And then we're not finished yet, lovelies. We have a Esprela, Esprela, apple and red plum, a light sparkling fruit drink with guarana and green tea. This one is rated for £1.09 and it says wonderfully refreshing and lightly sparkling vegan fruit drink. No added sugar and only 43 calories per serving. And to make things even more interesting, Esprela, apple, and red plum is a fantastic gin cocktail mixer. So this one goes right to my husband. Give it a try and enjoy the moment. So yes, every time I receive this kind of drink, I always give it to him because I'm not really fan of it. I love this one. I really love it. And this is the Smarties, the chocolate one. It's a chocolate part with the Smarties in it. And this one, it's rated for £1. And it says, calling all chocolate lovers, new Smarties sharing black in milk chocolate or air orange. Glad that I received the milk chocolate because I'm not a fan of the orangey one. And it says, it's a chocolate extravaganza. What's more, our brand new paper packaging means that your wrapper can be easily recycled. Once you've enjoyed your Smarties block, just add the paper packaging to your recycling bin and help our environment. I love the chocolate, Smarties chocolate. Yummy. And then we have two chocolate bar here, which is goes straight to my husband. I give it to my husband. The protein, the dark chocolate coated deal, low sugar, gluten free, palm oil free. And then we have this one is mine because I love this one. The mallow and vanilla marshmallow, bar coated and milk chocolate. I love marshmallow, so this will be mine. And this lovely is rated for £1.35. And the protein one is £2.50. The last one we have here is from Cheerios. Organic, delicious organic honey and chocolate. Here we go. And yeah, it's a full pack. And this one is rated for £3. And this is the honey chocolate, which is one of my favorite. This delicious product marks Cheerios UK entrance into UK organic market with certified organic cereal made using organic honey hops from 5 organically farmed whole grains and chocolate cereal pieces. So yes, and overall, lovelies, this month I love it. It's full of delicious goodies this month, and I will definitely like every single product, maybe except for this one, the mixer one, I will give to my husband. But this box, lovelies, is for the family. It's not only for me because most of the items I give it to my husband and to my kids. So yes, I really enjoy Degustabox. So if you want to subscribe to them, I will put the link down below, my affiliate link, and you will have £3 off on your first box. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this month Degustabox? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.